Hi, in this video we will guide you how to repair and restore Windows backup files with ease. SysInfo BKF Recovery Tool is an astounding recovery solution to recover and extract files from corrupt Windows BKF file. Let's go through some eye-catching features of SysInfo BKF Recovery Tool. It supports recovery of multiple BKF files without losing any information. It has a capability to recover more than 1 TB data successfully. It allows a quick search option to locate the recovered BKF file. It provides a preview option to see the recovered data prior to saving. It supports entire Windows editions including Win 10, 8, 7, Vista, 2003, XP and 2000. Now let's install and run the software. Click on Open button to select the BKF file that you want to recover. Now select the scanning range, either set complete range or partial range. And click OK to begin the scanning process. Once scanning process gets completed, you will see a tree structured format in the left pane of the software interface to preview the recovered data. Finally, save the recovered BKF file by clicking on Save button. And choose the destination folder to store BKF file. And click Save Files. Now you can close the application and check your recovered data where you have stored it. Hope you liked the video was helpful for you. For any query, leave a comment in comment box below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. For more updates, do subscribe our channel.